To locate stomach 2, look directly ahead and put your finger on the bone immediately below the center of your eye. Right about here. This bone is called the orbital bone. Now move your finger down till it comes off the orbital bone like this. You'll be in a little depression. Press into the spot to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is stomach 2. Activate stomach 2 by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a tei shin, I suggest use the round end and it might look like this. As always, when using an instrument or anything else near your face, great care must be taken so you don't poke yourself in the eye or hurt your skin. Now, find and activate stomach 2 underneath your other eye.